purpose of this video is to show how to cook using programmed recipes in the cook and hold oven with Deluxe control. Before you begin, make sure your food is prepared and ready to cook. This recipe contains a preheat stage. If yours doesn't, you'll need to preheat the oven before cooking. Touch the recipe book icon. Navigate to and touch the desired recipe. Then select the available chamber or chambers. Touch the start icon. If smoking, prepare and load your smoker box into the cavity. See the manual topic and how-to video for how to prepare the smoker box for reference. Insert the product probe. Load the food into the chamber. Plug in the probe and close the door. Press the hand to start the cook cycle. For this recipe, the cooking process will shift into a hold once the cooking stage is complete. Once the cook cycle completes, the hold timer begins and counts up rather than down. Touch and hold the chamber number to show the current chamber temperature. If you touch the X in a chamber, you will cancel that chamber's cooking process. During the cooking process, you can touch the chamber to show the recipe details. When you're ready to remove the product from the hold stage, open the door, remove the probe from the oven, and remove the product. Remove the product probe. Cancel the hold and close the door. The cook and hold cycle is now complete. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.